Anak ng kamote ka. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Talbos Kamote. Talbos Kamote.
Telecom providers who share these poles under a joint agreement are refusing to do the same. So even after Edison removes its equipment from the operate a 2018 deadly fire in Paradise, Northern City, asked the state to begin the fires under
Red rice.
LA County officials say they might have to do that as well if they can't work with the companies.
LA firefighters will be honored today. Department's annual Jobber Award ceremony. Newly appointed LA Fire Chief Jamie Moore will be presenting with a special focus on the rescue effort during the January wildfire. The award will recognize the heroic acts by on-duty and off-duty firefighters during the massive wildfire fight. The event will be held at Dodger State.
I went to start for professional positions across everything in the heat fire. Today, Ricky First plans to break ground of new recording studio and home in Baltimore, heritage development of the West Coast and the front man for the Rockabilly Brothers. He hopes the new studio will become a hub for
rehearsals.
and live sessions.
Put the paddles away because the town in California is trying to ban pickleball.
Pickleball.
And it's almost time for country music's biggest night.
Talbos Kamote.
Country Ballerini is just one of the artists that take stage at the CLA Awards. We have a sneak peek. Some early winners already announced.
And our 33rd annual Sparkle Plus Boy Find is now underway. You can drop off in our Black Forces here at any SoCal fire station or your local retailer. You can also scan the QR code and make a donation right now or text SPARK 2465. And if you'd like to mail a check, make a payment to Los Angeles Fire Foundation. Send it to 7
Hi. Pizza.
Disability is not a dirty word. People tend to think of disabled as something only that disability is not shaped. I wouldn't change my life for nothing in the world. I'm happy with everything I have. Is that a fact? Can you make yourself
To me.
Yeah. That's it. Pizza.
You can have one-way windows in doors right now. You don't have to pay us for 2 years. You can try to pay us during the first 2 years. But we don't want it. Really, we don't want it. Save it. Send it. Go buy it home. Whatever you want. And all the things you can do for your home. That is one of the best decisions you can make. Why? Because choosing to play it to release your windows this whole way up. We got a little bit of read Anderson you buy at least 10%. Do that. I think you're going to be happy. And when you're ready to sell your home, it's possible that you're using those indoors could help pay for themselves by increasing the value of your home. Here at Renewal by Anderson, we value homegrown talent. Your local design consultant, measure technicians, certified master installers, and customer service team are all going to give you the best home improvement experience you've ever had. We want to introduce you to our brand new exclusive ensemble entry course. Beauty and
Oh, there's pizza. For them.
warranty. And you don't get to try until November of 2027. But only if you book your appointment by November 1st. Call 1-800-705-8585. And Speaker Reports, we're committed to providing fresh, groceries, and friendly benefits with all choices at a competitive, honest value you can trust. Sponsored by the community. Speaker Reports, fresh, have been waiting to say as many people are permanently because of the societal economy. Nearly 42 million Americans rely on the program to pay for groceries and other household essentials, but the government is now trying to implement certain changes as part of President Trump's mega bill signed into law this summer. It includes new work requirements, new states have children of hospitals.
I know the California town is trying to ban pickleball.
Carmel City Council voted to
Why? May ibang pickleball. Ah, pickleball. So, have you tried it? Pickleball's nice.
I like to use the outside here, but it's hard.
Make you sweat. Pickleball.
Yeah.
No, good. You gotta enjoy it. It's fun. Yep.
And even outside parks, that's what we're looking at right now.
Better than going to gym. Love it. And it's easy. It's fun. It's nice. I'll do it with my kids. In yeah, there's outdoor. Yeah, Liberty Park. You're gonna love it. Promise. Yep.
And then for the mountains, in terms of snow, 1 to 3 inches, about 6,000 feet. And above that, anywhere from 3 inches. So we'll see a little more snow in this one. And colder than that. It's temperature well below average. Partly cloudy. We're possible in the areas of Woodland Hills, the Valley, and Santa Clarita. But still feeling a lot of sun. Otherwise, we have clouds built up along the mountain. This low pressure system moving on out of here, and we're making way for the second one to make its way in. So as that cold front continues to drop down, finally see it make its way into tomorrow. Small opportunity to get light spot showers tomorrow morning. It's rolling in during the afternoon hours. Late morning, early afternoon, Curry County, and heading